It's on the ground. There's debris and stuff. Jake, we gotta move. We gotta get out of the way. We gotta get out of the way.
It is. There's no significant debris on the ground right now.
Yes,
it just looks like to be in a field.
Just seen a roof or something just go.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it just flipped.
When they ask me how we leveled up without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spent, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game.
But I don't want to.
I know. I need you to stay alive so I don't have to die.
Just don't crash or nothing else. It seems a lot better.
Right. Well, how about you wear your seatbelt and don't crash? Caliber collision.
Fuck all that. Owensboro, Kentucky, heading to Evansville, Indiana. I like this bridge a lot.
Yeah. Why?
Because it's really pretty, especially at night. They have different colored lights that change across the bridge.
So look, this is the river that we stay on, like whenever Riley comes to our ball tournaments. What's that hook there? The hotel's like that funny chick one. That's yeah, and they do like all these, like right here on the river, the river has these lights that light up at night of different colors that it'll shade to, and it's so pretty. It's beautiful. Like the bridge itself is just gorgeous. Like, that
Did you feel that?
yes, yeah.
That wind out that.
Some muddy water.
Yeah. Pretty choppy.
I bet these fields flood all over them.
But that's a really good hunting area, though.
What? Like flat, yeah, I guess. I mean, you'd have a clear shot. Like, completely flat.
She rolled down just on the D. Fuck. Shitty ass towns, got some shitty ass road. See, everything that's tornado warned is over that way. Like, a good mile away.
Is it moving this direction?
Northeast. Sharp northeast. Maybe even the northeast.
So we're waiting on the next stuff to come.
Or following the cell that's behind us. The one I showed you earlier that was about to dump a bunch on us.
Alright.
Or following that one. Because I'm not gonna be on a wild goose chase just to get up there, you know what I mean?
Alright.
Because then I'm not in a rush to go shooting for somewhere that we're probably not gonna make it to.
That's a big conch in their yard.
It's a big con. Pretty big con. Alright, so we're right here. We're right here. The tornado warning storm is up here. We're right here. You see everything is moving.
Yeah. Is there a ferry over there or something? Totally? That's weird.
Wait, where was I going? My bad. Is this a ferry?
I don't know.
You don't actually have to do this.
I don't know. Looks like it. Somebody's in there. Cash only. You paying for something?
Oh.
I don't have cash on me.
Hey, my bad. Can I turn around right here?
It's $2. You got any change?
I don't have any cash on me. I've only got a card.
That's fine. I didn't realize it was a ferry.
What?
What's that?
They take care of it for you if you want to go on through.
Oh, how long does it usually take?
For what? To go to Vincennes?
Yeah, to go across.
10 minutes from here. About
Okay.
45 minutes the other way.
Okay. If you don't mind, thank you. This is so extra.
Yeah, cash only.
I didn't realize it was a fucking ferry.
5, 6, 7. I got 27 cents.
It's fine. Don't worry about it. I think they got us. Thank you.
Thanks.
Alright.
That was super nice of them to do that.
Yeah. Very nice of them.
Was it those people in front of us?
Yeah. Please see him on the ferry. I'll say thank you.
Oh, this is sketchy as fuck.
Isn't it though?
Oh my god, I don't like this. I don't want to do it. I'm scared. Oh my god, it looks down right there too. Oh my god.
This is a bit sketchy, isn't it?
Oh, I don't like this.
This is pretty sketchy, isn't
Can
it?
you imagine if it was a bigger, like, heavy truck?
I'm sure they've rated for that. I'm sure they wouldn't let us
I don't
buy
think
it.
they've rated this fucking thing in years. It has wood planks holding it together.
Look at the kisses.
That's what I'm talking about, is this.
Sketchy ever. Anyway. Pictures of the ferry and stuff. It's all, everything's being recorded and stuff, so yeah. It's not getting rained on. This is a long road for a fucking ferry.
Alright, it's going. Shoo! Smell that oil? You can smell it.
I feel sulfur.
Another oil. Oh shit, which way do you go to get the ferry? Did we pass it?
I don't think it's a ferry. I think it's a bridge. Oh yeah, it is the bridge. That's what you have to pay for, is the fucking bridge. 3 miles total bridge. Same toll bridge. Oh, so that's a toll bridge. It's not even it's not a ferry. Why the fuck did that dude say a ferry?
Well, he was not along with you. You said ferry, and he was just like, no. I don't think he could hear you.
$2 to pass a bridge?
Yeah, but
Hey,
it
$2?
saves you, like, you've got like a 5-10 minute drive versus a 45-minute drive.
Really?
I'd be paying that shit every day. Yeah, that's what he said.
Same gas, man.
Yeah.
You'd think they'd have better upkeep on that bridge, though, for all the tolls.
Yeah. There just must not. I mean, this Princeton
Wait,
or wherever.
I wonder
it
if
is
that
over
guy
there.
built it. I wonder if he's like the bridge troll. You shall not pass. He really is the bridge troll.
Yeah.
We gotta wait for it to cross the fucking river, which gives it time to
That's the thing.
get towards us. We gotta go to
Moron?
Meron.
Not moron.
Meron. M-E-R-O-N.
Oh.
20 minutes. Like you said, 45 minutes. Ooh, that's hooking.
What? 45 minutes what?
That's hooking. Look, here we go. Now we're chasing Jason. Second one. Slightly.
Is the red button turning on?
No. But right here, just look at that switch to the left. You're right.
You got a good frame position.
You got a good position because it's gonna be in Maram in about 45 minutes. But it's still a severe thunderstorm warrant. It hasn't went to tornado warrant or nothing like that, but
It will.
it has time to get to that stage by the time it gets to us over the river.
You don't think the river will make it lose strength, do you?
No, no.
They usually gain it or not really impact it?
Doesn't impact it really. Oh, look at that.
Wow. Look at
That's all
that.
the birds.
Yeah, that's pretty.
There we go. You got some AC.
All those birds leaving their roost, maybe they feel something coming.
They already got, they just got done getting rained on for their
They said animals consist of. I'm just saying it's a whole lot of birds leaving all at once.
It's true. It's true.
Especially birds.
Tornado warns. The one we're going to is tornado warn.
Alright.
It just went tornado warn.
It's definitely hooking. Look at it.
I told
It just
you
grew
it
a
was.
penis. It looks like a penis. It just grew.
Okay, it did.
It says PG-13. I said penis. I said penis.
Yep, straight to Sullivan too. So it's going through Moram where we're heading, and then it's going to Sullivan so we can get back directly east and go straight north and get back ahead of it, and just in case it did overtake us for whatever reason. See, what did I tell you?
Yeah.
Patience.
Patience is a virtue.
Patience. 0.2 miles, we gotta turn left. We're going after that down there. Give you a directional awareness. I'm not really a fan of the clouds being so high still.
They drop so quick though. Look, the birds are on the move, you know. Another big flock of them over there.
Yeah, right around there is where we're going.
Yep, and even the bigger flock of birds is moving out. I guess twice the size of that other. Look at that. They're so pretty. Look what they're doing. Wow. Oh,
Yeah, does this seem
Look.
familiar?
they look so weird.
Why does it look like they're going so damn slow?
Mm-hmm.
Why it's so slow?
Maybe the wind's blowing against them.
That's beautiful though.
Yeah, it is.
It's like a line of birds, like a squall line of birds.
Mm-hmm. Careful, don't get in the mud there. Everybody's leaving this area.
Go, 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 go. Oh shit. I thought that was a turn in.
I got a lot more this area versus how flat it was. You are gonna get stuck if you're not careful.
No, it's gravel. We're good. Honestly, I'm just gonna chill right here because it's gonna go right across it. But at the same time, it's looking like that rotation.
Look, it's even more. Look at this. Hey.
What? Oh yeah, it is. No, isn't it? I wish that was a bit more rounded off though.
There's 5 people around it now.
Rotation still looks good. Another, yeah, the velocity still looks good.
All those have like floored it to get over here, you know?
Yeah, I'm not sure this one decided to give up on itself, but yeah, that's a hook for sure.
For real.
But now we just gotta wait for it to get to us. There it is, tornado warning. Woo! That gets my dick hard every time. The hook echo doesn't look very good, but
Sirens.
yeah, I know. I hear 'em. It's moving to the right. That's a good thing. It's moving to the east. It could gain strength. We gotta go though. Now it's just behind us, and it's moving just to our right. So it's moving. It keeps wanting to move that way and that way. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So around this time frame during the chase, the same supercell we are heading towards ended up putting down an EF-1 tornado just northeast of Flat Rock, as you can see. That's Illinois. And then the supercell is heading just to the south of Palestine, Illinois, coming to the south of Merom, Indiana, heading into Carlisle, Indiana. And that is where my current location actually is, just to the west of Carlisle, Indiana. About to be heading south to get towards the Man Airport there in Carlisle. Yeah, hear those sirens just whistling.
Yep.
Oh, look, there it is, right there.
Wait,
That's
what?
the tornado siren right there.
Oh, yeah. That's
There.
why we can hear it so well.
Is that a 4-horn one?
3.
3? Look at that.
Wait, no, 4. I'm sorry, it's 4.
Wow, you can even feel that.
Uh-huh. It's here, so back your neck raise up.
It does, doesn't it?
Alright, National Weather Service warning is in this area until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take shelter now in a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building.
Oh, coyote.
Oh, wow, that's random during the day. See, everything's moving out of the area. That thing was getting it.
Yeah, he's out.
I bet those sirens spooked them.
It's possible.
Yeah, because they're high pitched and stuff. Yeah,
Especially from that direction.
I guarantee that's what's spooked them.
See if I can get past these
See a
trees
little bit
right
of
here.
lightning.
Yeah, see if I can get past these trees right here. Have a clear shot of it.
The sun's actually highlighting it here.
Oh shit, not my vape. Why do I always do that every single time? I think this is actually a pretty good spot. I want to move forward.
Those clothes are
Where we're at
lowering.
is fine.
I mean, I've been keeping my eye on them for like the last
Yeah,
couple
that
minutes.
lowering right there?
Yeah, they're lowering.
I have it pointed right there. Okay, that curves, so I probably should stay away from that.
You got us an exit plan too?
Yeah.
How do we get to the other side of the river?
A toll. You need to message them. There's a toll bridge.
The Congo line's coming. It's going to slow everybody down.
The Congo line down. Oh god, they'll all be on that bridge. It'll take them forever.
Inside that thing.
Great position.
Yeah, stay right here. It's definitely moving that direction. Look at the rain, sheeted rain.
Yeah. Rain sheet. Well, that's the forward flank. That's where
Uh-huh.
we're supposed to be looking right now.
Right.
That's the lowering.
Right.
That's the wall cloud. Alright, hold on, let me get... Alright, so if I go south, I can go straight out to the east and get out of here. And then get back in front of it, because that's going to come right over us.
Yep.
Or it's either going to come right over us or right in front of us. Look at that. Why are you worried now?
No.
Scared? Alright, so...
When's it gonna drop?
Yeah, that's coming straight for us.
Yeah, what's it waiting on? It's moving slightly that way.
Yeah, I see it.
But I mean, whenever it comes down and it gets on the ground, it could, you know, go different.
Okay, keep the camera. It's recording, right? You're gonna have to get a little bit wet if you don't mind rolling down the window, because otherwise it's just gonna focus, the camera's gonna focus on the raindrops again here. How this street is. No, I can't see shit.
What?
Tornado?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's it, ain't it?
Yep.
Yeah, I started chasing it.
Yeah.
Well, be safe. It's coming straight towards us. It might go just in front of us or just right over in this area, so we can take that escape route right down that way. Get back to the main road.
Yeah, if you go back out that way, take that road, that gravel road, or that blacktop road back to the left.
Right.
Get right into New Elton.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. We're going to hit town.
Be safe, sir. Thank you.
Huh?
I said be safe.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Did he just come down here?
Yeah.
All for that.
Well, I think he was trying to see the tornado. I think he said all he wanted to see was the tornado. It's getting low now.
Very low. Alright, hold on. Let me see what I got here.
Look, you can see the rotation is like slightly. There it goes. Look. Look at those clouds. Those white clouds dropping down. Right there. Here it comes.
Woo! Just keep the camera pointed. We're in the best spot. I got an escape route south and I got an escape route back down south even farther so I can go east. We're in great position. We're even in a great position for safety. Like, I'm just not a fan of this damn road.
It's like right above. It's like right there though.
Just keep the camera pointed on that and we'll be fine.
It's so close. I can't keep it not moving.
Alright, hold on. After we get past this house, I gotta stop for a second and identify where the rotation's at. Because that whole part could be spinning.
Look, there's literally a thing spinning in it.
Alright, hold on.
It's just not dropped down yet, but there is. Not the trees. Go like 50 feet up.
Yep, it's gonna go.
It's following us. Right up the top. Not fast, slowly. All of it.
Anything starts drooping down, you need to let me know.
It's all spinning. It's about like I don't.
We're good.
We're way too close. We're way too close. Oh, they're spinning on the ground. They're spinning on the ground. It's on the ground. There's debris and stuff. Jake, we gotta move. We gotta get out of the way. We gotta get out of the way.
It is.
We gotta get out of the way.
There's a tornado on the ground.
Yeah.
We're fine.
It's coming directly to us. Okay.
Let's call 911. You gotta call them.
What road?
Hold on. Somebody says
It's not. It's not big enough. We'll have a perfect shot over here. Here. This is. I'm scared. Like, yeah.
don't be scared. We're fine. We are fine. I promise you. We are fine.
Look, what's all that stuff on the side? Like, huh. Is that more vortexes?
That's a tornado.
That's more vortexes on the side of it, though? The streaks?
It's still debris. That might be a satellite. It's still on the phone.
No, I hung it up. They didn't even, like, there was no, it wasn't picking up. We have to know what road we're on.
We're right to the side of it. It's right there. That's it right there. We're right to the side of it. See that funnel right there?
What?
See that funnel right there? This is it.
I'm trying to find the road name right now. I'm not familiar with this area, but there's a tornado on the ground. I'm looking for the road name right now.
We are passing just to the south of South County Road 275 West.
South County Road 275 West.
It is to the north. The tornado is on the ground to the north of us.
On the ground to the north. You can actually see debris.
There's debris on the ground. It is confirmed debris on the ground. There's no significant debris on the ground right now.
Yes,
it just looks like to be in a field.
Just seen a roof or something just go.
Oh,
yeah.
You did?
Yeah, it just flipped. Yes, it's just to the north of us. It's, yes, you can see debris. Yes. Okay,
It
all right.
might be dissipating right now.
Okay.
That whole thing is spinning. What'd she say? Or he said?
Okay, thank you. I mean, they took it. I mean, she was literally like screaming in the background, like to somebody.
We got a fucking tornado.
Yeah. That's terrifying. I've been recording the whole time with this thing in my lap. I was on the phone with 911.
That whole thing right there, that's the whole bay, that's the whole funnel right there.
Yep.
Great position right here. Let me see that. Hold this.
Right underneath it here.
That's right. We're right there. We're right side by side of it.
Yeah.
Us.
Like, it's not on us.
No, it's not. We got to get ahead of it though. Hold on. You gotta find our look.
Like, we're not in a spot.
We're fine. That's the funnel right there. That's the funnel right there. We're out of the area. We do have to go south so we can get on this main road though. I see the main circulation, we're fine. Doesn't mean they're not more, but we're fine. There, you see that?
Yeah.
You see that main dropping part? That's the main part of it. Like they
There's
took.
still debris in the air. Or no, that's clouds. No, it's clouds.
I still see it on the ground. I still see it on the ground. You see it right there?
Yeah.
I still see it on the ground. It's intensifying. Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah, it looks
Holy
like it's getting.
That is intensifying very rapidly. Okay, we're in a very good spot. It's moving at about 30, 35 miles per hour right now. That's the last update I got. I'm not sure what it's doing now per se, but...
They didn't follow us. Don't get us killed.
I'm not gonna get us killed.
Okay. I feel a little better that there's other chasers parked here. We're the only ones.
It should be a little better. You see that? Holy shit.
I finally seen a tornado.
Wow. I see it. Yeah, we gotta go back to the east.
What's your door?
I got you. Here. That's back stable.
I couldn't hardly even get the words out that was debris when I first seen it. I thought it was another flock of birds at first.
Is this really one way?
Yeah. One way, the opposite direction we need to be going. But you can go over there and go the other way.
It says do not enter.
Oh wait, never mind.
Literally says do not enter.
No, but that's a merging lane for the traffic, is what I was saying.
You can go right here.
Okay. It's crazy. That's terrifying. Exciting, but terrifying.
Yes.
They're all going just straight down this.
Yeah.
But it looks like this country road. Well,
the-
no,
it's
it'll
already
overtake that
passing
country
us.
road. Oh, look at those clouds going out. Look at that. Yep, everybody's going down this country road. I don't know if there's an exit. They've got an exit or not.
Yep. Good idea.
What you know? Okay. We're going to. Okay.
Oh my God.
I thought it was birds on the camera, and then I look up, like with my own eyes, and I'm like, that's debris. So there's no telling how long I was actually getting the debris before I realized it was actual debris.
Yeah.
Like a good probably 30 seconds. But yeah.
That could be an EF-0. Could be. Look at that. Look at that amble. It's not a very pronounced amble, but it's a beautiful amble. See that? Look at that shot. All right, we see that camera quickly.
It's on. Get it on video.
I got you. Can I ask? Will they stop? They're not going to stop, are they? No? Really? Damn.
Oh, they're turning back around. I guess.
Hey, what do you guys see on this one? We're going to go back around from Linton and back up north. I think so. We were only like maybe like a couple hundred yards away when its first touchdown. Okay. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's you guys got a game? You got a game plan by chance?
We had to break off from the group that we were with because of his transmission.
Oh
so
shit.
We're trying to play this a little bit smarter now, so we don't get stuck.
I would head directly east as much as possible. We're going to Linton and back up north. I don't know if it is right now, but velocity showing what, 82?
All this was on the ground. We were right under it with that group.
Oh no,
Yeah.
we're on the ground.
Oh yeah, it was like from here to the tree line maybe.
Yeah.
That was beautiful.
Well, we were like right under it. The larger rotation
Oh, really?
was under it.
Oh shit, dude.
Yeah, it was probably maybe a fourth mile the first cone came down.
It was actually moving about 30 to 35 miles per hour and about a mile away from me. So I had about 3-ish minutes to get out of the way. If anything else, it was a little bit closer to the pond there on the north face by about 150 yards to the northwest. Sure, you got a YouTube tag or something like that? Any Instagram?
Not right now, no. But
Okay.
on Instagram, Retired Mafia, Ohio.
Okay, just we'll get it so I can remember it.
Okay, yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
All right, what's your name, man?
Kaylee.
Chayton.
Jaden?
Chayton.
Nice.
Nice to meet you, man. All right, well, good luck, guys.
What are you guys doing? Are you...
Vincennes back up north as much as can to get back ahead of it.
Yeah.
Nothing else seems like it's going to be doing very well after that.
Yeah.
Looks like it's dead after this.
Yeah.
Well, later, guys.
All right, later.
Damn, transmission problems out of the... Oh, that would suck.
And he's really going to chase. Like, he's doing that with a battery. That's stupid. It's already over.
I gotta regroup.
Being underneath it like that is actually what was terrifying.
Why?
Like where we were so close to it, and it had just got on that. That's what I was afraid is like it was gonna hit the ground and be like one of those. Like the videos I've seen, all of a sudden they're on the ground, and all of a sudden they just like get speed within seconds, you know. And that's what I was worried. I was like, it is gonna gobble us up in like 2 seconds if we don't move.
Hold the fuck up. Where are we? Hudsonville. Okay, so we're going north. We're just south of Hudsonville, going north on...
State Route 1 north.
Yes, you're right. That is 100% accurate.
I look at road signs.
Ooh. I do have to turn around though. Lucky me. Maybe. Okay, everything is just in front of us to the right, just off to the 1 o'clock position. Wonder what the SPC outlook for tomorrow is. That's
Still
it.
got to see a tornado.
End of chase.
My virgin experience of seeing a tornado was with you. Where's your camera case?
Hold on.
I got it.
Let me see. Camera. That can go in there. That goes in that corner. That goes in the corner.
Do you need the battery popped out to charge it?
Yeah, actually, yeah. Good idea. I'll just keep that one there for a little bit. Alright, let's see how far home is. In conclusion, to wrap up this video, to speak briefly, there was reported an EF-2 tornado that was just to the west of Bloomington, Indiana. I can't find anything to validate that, so we'll just say for now that it didn't happen, especially on the National Weather Service's their page. I also made a separate report to the National Weather Service the following morning. As you can see, things were a bit busy for me, so I didn't get to it. It would have been great to see them extend the damage path. So while in the field actively chasing, at least
made sure that, called 911 and got that aspect taken care of. Go ahead and pause the video to make sure you read what the text says from the National Weather Service from these tornadoes. If you made it this far, don't forget to click the like button to help my content be pushed to others so they can enjoy this video as well. Also, that bell icon that's close to my channel name will help you get personalized notifications on next time I upload a video. Thank you very much for your time on clicking and watching. Any comments, feel free to leave them down below. Enjoy the rest of this video as the next clip I'm going to drive over this bridge. It's kind of like my victory lap.